that clear, repeatedly done, and the Indians, they knew very fast now, clear, clear enough, but you know, they started giving ultimatum, mind that, warning, ultimatum to force upon us. So we were forced to tell them, come what may, come what may, we'll stand our ground, come what may. We know who the Indians are. We know who the Indians are and their histories. How many times? I have to repeat. So, do you want to play your game with us? Huh? Huh? At the total ignore of, I mean, our point, huh? They were, they could not say anything, but they still went on talking. Mr. Muivah, you are the only one. You are the only one talking like this. But we have understood you. We have understood you. We have understood you. So come what may. We'll stand our ground. They also said, I repeat it, whether it is today or tomorrow, or the years to come, we'll stand our ground. We will not come taking our history to surrender to you. No, we will never do that. Whether it is today or tomorrow or in the future, anytime, we will never do that. Okay, don't forget what we have taught them, frankly. You have understood. So, you know, there is no, uncertainties of, say, this and that, because our stand is clear. They have understood that also clearly. So they have said, yes, come on, way. Yes, you are right. But what to do? See, we have our difficulties. That is what they said. Some of them say that clearly, and so on. You know, we will stand our ground. Come what may. Come what may. So